Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, which is quite an important one in fact, because we will be talking in depth about how to start crypto trading or how to involve yourself in crypto and what to watch out for and how to start getting involved more and more in cryptocurrency space. We will talk about it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is
only for educational purposes, it's not financial advising.
As usual, let's dive deep into it. So guys, we start the video here with the first tip I would give you, which is diversifying your portfolio in crypto, which is quite a key factor here because you would never need to put all your eggs in one basket because you might end up losing them all. Meaning that you can scan the market for major cryptocurrencies. Of course, Bitcoin is a major one, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatsoever. But generally speaking, you might also need to scan the market for good potential coins. It's also worth diversifying into small portion of meme coins or even smaller coins, and to be open for the idea that everything can have the potential actually to grow and to pump severely. If you remember, Dogecoin was a meme coin. Everyone was making joke of Dogecoin, and all of a sudden in summer 21 it went all the way to 72 cents, making literally billionaires, not millionaires, billionaires. Last year was the year of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu went parabolically crazy and it even made some millionaires. And here I would say making some good diversification in your portfolio would be great. And here you can see, or you can read more about the benefits of crypto diversification. It also reduces risks, and you would understand more about diversification when you understand that the crypto market is not 100% interrelated with each other. Some coins are using some protocols, some other coins are using different protocols. So not necessarily once Bitcoin is going down that every single coin will be going down. Of course, Bitcoin is a major contributor to any bull or bear market, but I would say other coins also have the mind of their own, and to a degree they can behave quite freely. So you need to diversify, you need to understand what kind of projects you might need to get into, and you need to educate yourself more. So that's why also I would recommend you to check the links down below and get yourself more informed and educated about the topic. And diversification here would be a major key for successful crypto trading and successful crypto investment. And going to the second point here, which is staying sane while trading and not spending 24/7 trading. Of course, once you start trading cryptocurrency, you would be tempted, at least from the inside, you would be tempted just to spend all of your time checking your phone, checking your apps, checking your PC. How's my trade going? Have I reached my take profit? Have I hit my top loss? What's going on? And how's the market behaving? But of course, that's all excitement at the very beginning. But once you become a bit more experienced, once you put all emotions aside and you become more sane about the whole thing, you will understand that actually setting some times to trading would be the best approach, and being quite strict. Deal with it as a diet or so, and just be a bit strict with yourself. You can have your normal job, you can just go around your life as normal, but you can also set a set amount of time to trade cryptocurrency or to check the market to see what's going on and to observe how things are behaving in the market and make a plan and stick to it. Of course, sticking to a regime or a plan or a diet or whatever would be the best option for you to excel in trading or anything in life in fact. And here you can also tame the greed and manage the fear. Manage the fear will lead us to the next point here, which is not panic sell. Do not panic sell. Do not panic in general. Do not really have the fear of missing out, either in good way or in bad way. Once something is just starting to boom or to go all the way up, like Shiba Inu, once Shiba Inu started going up, people were just going like crazy. And of course, whenever there is a pump, there is a dump, and whenever there is a dump, there is a severe pump as well. The market doesn't really go in a linear line. The market usually goes in waves, in zigzag lines, and that's also needs to be understood. And you need to understand that this kind of behavior is normal, not only for crypto, for any kind of investment in the stock market even. So you will have to understand that panic sell won't get you anyway, and you will also need to understand that once crypto or a stock or whatever kind of investment you're investing into is going in a certain way, bullish or bearish, not really acting immediately would be a good approach for you. You will need to understand why this movement is happening. Is it just pumping because of something tangible? Is it pumping because of a good foundation? And then you can buy. And also selling would be the same reason. for instance, there is a scandal or there is a scam or there is whatever, and people are selling like crazy, is it also good for you to start selling like crazy and also contribute to the dump, or probably hold your horses and wait for a minute and then see the price pumping back up or correcting the price trajectory? So you will need to understand that. And of course, there is not 100% correct approach for that, but I would say once you start becoming more experienced in the cryptocurrency space, you would have the sense what's correct in this moment and what's not. And of course, it's not 100% accurate every single time, but generally speaking, you would have a better sense of what's going on. And then we can go to the most important one of them all, avoiding cryptocurrency scam. Avoiding cryptocurrency scam, I mean, there are books wrote on this kind of topic, but generally speaking, here to summarize it, you will need to vet it quite properly. You will need to understand every single aspect of any cryptocurrency before you start investing, and you will find here a lot of reasons to start worrying, because as you can see here, there are phishing scams, there are pump and dump schemes, and there are fake apps, there are fake celebrity endorsements as well. You will find, don't get tempted once a big celebrity is just putting in their Instagram story or just publishing something related to a cryptocurrency. Many people just receive a lot of money just to do so. So you will need to understand that it's not really a fair play out there, and you will need also to grasp the idea that things can get quite tricky in terms of fake cryptocurrencies and scam cryptocurrencies. People are just dumping their money out there and they're just scammers getting away with it. So you will need to understand that there are some spots or some key factors to spot cryptocurrency scam: promise of guaranteed returns, and the poor or non-existing white paper, and excessive marketing. One of the major factors here that you should start worrying, and unnamed team members. That's also one key factor here. When the team members are visible and they're actually real humans and putting themselves out there, they have some confidence that they are initializing a project. And this project, of course, there's a 50-50 chance it can go to the moon or not, or probably go stale and sideways. But generally speaking, they're not afraid to put themselves out there because they're not doing anything wrong. And they are putting themselves in a good manner, and they're having their proper white paper, and all the intentions of the project are out there. But some other projects are hidden behind some kind of hidden team, or mysterious kind of set of avatars. So you might need to be a bit wary of that, and you will need also to be skeptical about free money falling in terms of airdrop or whatever. Not saying that airdrops are bad, but just saying that free money usually is just to start picking you and getting you into a bigger scam here, and protecting your wallet and keeping an eye on your wallet apps. And of course, all of these key elements here are listed down below in the description. You can read through them and educate yourself more, because this topic is paramount. It's quite important for you as an investor, whether you're experienced or not. It's good to update your knowledge, and it's also good to keep up with what's going on in the cryptocurrency space to have an easy and relaxing and somehow successful crypto investment. And I'm wishing all of you to have a good crypto bull run. Hopefully that will happen this year, and we can have some solid investments in this year. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the major key points you might need to take care of before you start investing or getting involved in crypto trading or cryptocurrencies in general. You need to make yourself more educated. You need to make yourself more aware of what's going on to avoid scams and to start putting your foot in the right place in order for you to succeed and probably even make some good profit or good investment in cryptocurrency space. So I would highly recommend you to check the links down below, educate yourself more, get yourself more information. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and till next time, bye bye.